Good afternoon, students. Today we learn EVS Part 2, lesson number 5, that is Shivaji's education. Okay, now let's see. Shivaji's education, the making of a king. Shivaji Maharaj parents Sahaji Raje and Jijabai took great interest in Shivaji Maharaj's education. Sahaji Raje was a Sanskrit scholar himself and he had a lot of scholars and artists at his Bangalore court. Sahaji Raje thus selected very talented and good teachers to teach Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj education started at the age of 7 years. Shivaji learned how to read and write. He learned stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavad Gita. He also learned different skills of war and administration. Shivaji Maharaj learned wrestling. He, he learned how to use a sword. He learned how to ride a horse. He learned how to use the Danpatta sword. Soon, Adil Shah sent Sahaji on a campaign to capture Kingdom of the South. At that time, Shivaji and Jijabai were at the Bangalore. Since Sahaji had to go on a campaign, he sent Shivaji and Jijabai to Pune. Along with Shivaji, Sahaji sent horses, elephants, infantry, money, flags, and his trusted men and excellent teachers. When Shivaji came to Pune, he remembered the days of his childhood. He was happy to see the tall peaks of the Sahyadri again. Pune was a nice small town at that time. Adil Shah had totally destroyed it and burned it. Houses and temples were broken. People had run away from the town. Fields were left barren. Forest had grown everywhere. Wolves and thieves were roaming everywhere. The condition of Pune was very bad. When Shivaji and Jijabai came to Pune, when people heard that Shivaji and Jijabai had come back to Pune, they felt happy. A lovely Ganpati temple was built at Kasaba Fete. Daily pujas started happening there and slowly life started returning to normal. Jijabai revived other temples in Pune too. Festivals were celebrated once again. Dadoji Konde built a huge palace for Shivaji and Jijabai to live in. This was called the Lal Mahal. Work in Pune. Shivaji takes charge of Pune. Dadoji Konde was a loyal and trusted servant of Sahaji Raje. Sahaji had appointed Dadaji as the Subedar of Kondana Fort. The Dadaji was perfect in his accounts and was very disciplined. On Sahaji's instructions, Dadaji came to Pune to help Shivaji with the administrations of Pune. Dadaji encouraged farmers a lot. He did not make them pay taxes for years and made them farm their lands again. He gave farmers seeds, flocks, whales, etc. He gave prizes for destroying wolves which harassed the farmers and the people. There were lots of bandits who were troubling the people too. Dadaji organized farmers into groups and they kept watch and captured these bandits. Dadaji then fixed land revenue According to the quality of the land, the people were thus very happy. Dadaji taught Shivaji how to look after the people, decide rules, and give people justice. He also taught Shivaji things like spear, throwing, archery, horsemanship, etc. The people living in the Mawal region are known as Mawlas. They were brave, hardworking, and quick. The Sultan really harassed them and they had no support. Shivaji felt really bad for these people. They were constantly on the run. He would talk to Jijabai about it. He wanted to do something for these peoples. Jijabai would encourage Shivaji to do good for the people. She told Shivaji that he was a descendant of Rama and Krishna, so he should also kill weak people. Jijabai was already upset at the terrible way in which her father and brothers were killed. She did not want Shivaji to work for the other kings. She wanted him to establish his own kingdom. In this way, with the support of Jijabai and Dadaji Kondev, Shivaji took charge of Pune. Shahaji sent very good administrators to help Shivaji look after the Jagir well. These were people like Samrao, Nilkant, Peshwe, Donopan Dabir, Balkrishna Hanmante, Mujumdar, Atre, and Sabnis. The people in Shivaji Jagir were very happy. They felt like they were living in Swaraj itself. In this way, the town of Pune got totally new look. Shivaji turned 14 years old and his wedding to Saibai was fixed. She was from the Naik Nimbalkar family of Phaltan. The wedding was celebrated in style at the Lal Mahal. Sahaji Raje could not attend the wedding because he was busy on the battlefield. As Shivaji was a young adult, a lot of exciting battles and conquests started happening in his life. This is the story of Shivaji's education. Everyone see the video and understood the lesson. Okay? Bye.